Do you know tourism contributes over $1.5 trillion to the world every year? And guess what? Pakistan has the potential to earn billions of dollars from tourism alone. From mighty mountains to ancient civilizations, Pakistan is a hidden gold mine for travelers. But how much can Pakistan actually earn? Let's find out. Switzerland earns over $50 billion each year just from its mountains and lakes. Turkey welcomes 50 million tourists, making $46 billion in 2022. Dubai, a desert city, earns $30+ billion from international visitors. Tourism is not just travel, it is one of the world's largest industries. Over 10% of global GDP comes from tourism alone. Now, let's talk about Pakistan. Home to the second highest mountain, K2, and 5 peaks above 8,000 meters. With over 7,000 glaciers, Pakistan has more ice than Switzerland. Civilizations like Mohenjo Daro, Taxila, and Gandhara attract history lovers. Religious tourism, Kartarpur for Sikhs, Buddhist heritage, and Sufi shrines. Pakistan's coastline, from Gwadar to Karachi, is a hidden beach paradise. And the north? Hunza, Skardu, Swat, unmatched beauty. Yet Pakistan earns only around $1 billion from tourism. But what if Pakistan attracts just 10 million tourists annually? It could easily earn $20 to $25 billion every year. That means 20 times more than today. Tourism can create 2 to 3 million jobs, from guides to hotels. Villages in Hunza, Skardu, and Neelam would prosper, not just cities. Tourism is not just money, it is culture, image, and pride. So, what does Pakistan need to do? 1. Visa on arrival for more countries. 2. Powerful international marketing campaigns. 3. Better infrastructure, airports, roads, hotels. 4. Ecotourism, protecting nature while earning from it. 5. Most importantly, changing the image of Pakistan through media. Pakistan's beauty is unmatched. From mountains to civilizations, this land is a treasure. All it needs is vision, and the world will see Pakistan shine. If Switzerland can do it, if Turkey can do it, why not Pakistan? This is not just a dream. This is Pakistan's future. Tourism is not luxury. It is Pakistan's hidden gold mine.